to make Dole Whip for under $10 in under 10 minutes? Stay tuned, kiddies. Hi kittens, welcome back to Mixed Crimson Kitties Handpicked Quarantine Pretties. Try saying that 3 times fast. Today I found out the official Disneyland app released its famous Dole Whip recipe. Now for those of you not in the know, it is famous as a staple of the Enchanted Tiki Room over in Disneyland and Disneyworld Resorts. There was controversy when this recipe came out because it called for 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream, and people said, "No, this app is dairy free. How dare you?" So what I did is called research, and I went and found the actual official recipe of Dole Whip from the Dole website. So that's what we're going to be making today, kids. It's dairy free, it's vegan, and almost everyone, unless you have a pineapple allergy, I apologize, can have it. Let's go to my kitchen, which I probably didn't clean, so we can make this video. Oops, sorry. First, let's get out your ice cube tray, followed by your measuring cup, then your Dole pineapple juice. Alright, first things first, we're going to take our pineapple juice and we're going to pour 1 cup. Pour 1 cup of pineapple juice into your measuring cup, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill this into this. Get your banana and peel it in here as a little tray, so you're all set.
A few moments later.
Alright, welcome back to my kitchen. This is the blender I'm using. It is a Ninja blender. It is a little bit stronger in terms of making drinks, but they do have a blend option, so that's what we're going to use today. We're going to start by taking this off. What we're going to do, we froze our banana, and then we froze our 1 cup of pineapple juice. I just made extra for more recipe, but mine turned out to be 3 ice cubes. As long as it's 1 cube, you're good. So you're gonna start by putting your Dole pineapple into the blender. Next, I just broke up the pieces of my frozen banana. It was a lot easier to take out because I pre-peeled before putting it in the freezer. We're gonna add this right now. Next, we're gonna get our confectioner sugar. If you do not have any measuring utensils, you can just use a spoon. So I'll use that today. Okay, we're gonna put 2.5 teaspoons of our confectioner sugar. Now we have our frozen banana, we have our ice cubes of pineapple juice, and our confectioner's sugar. We're gonna go ahead and blend this for about 1 to 2 minutes just to make sure it's the right consistency. Be prepared, this is gonna get loud.
2 hours later.
We're gonna take this, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. This is the reason why it tells you to scrape the sides, because you're essentially making a mush. A spatula would be the best option, which I have one back here. Yay, it's pink. But I'm just gonna use my spoon because I like to keep these recipes as simple as possible. But I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk to this. So I don't know what you use at home. I'm sure you can just use a coconut milk that you use for your milk and as a milk substitute. But I love the Goya coconut milk. I use this to make pina coladas and other drinks. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this. Now, I tried this before just to see what it would be. I have to say, the coconut milk watered down the recipe a little bit, so I'm actually gonna just add a tiny bit. It does call for 1/4 of coconut milk. I think it needs a little less. I would not recommend the 1/2 cup. So I'm just gonna get a measuring cup. If you don't have a measuring cup, I would definitely eyeball this, but it's a tiny amount. Any more than this is actually gonna make it more like a smoothie rather than a frozen treat. Okay, so I just put a little bit of it. Let's blend this again. See, already this just blended for a few seconds. It's getting a little bit more liquidy. Okay, we are finished blending. I'm gonna take this off, remove the cap, and I'm gonna show you what this looks like. It has a little bit of movement, but I also like it to be a little bit more of a shaved ice consistency. Fancy cup. I got this at Walmart. It's from the Pioneer Home Collection, and it's lavender, and it looks like a unicorn would drink out of it. So I'm going to pour this, and see, it's not coming out like a smoothie. It's coming out slow, so I'm I'm gonna get this filled. Some would say this is the part where I failed because it's not a spiral-like shape. I do not care about a spiral shape. If you have a bag and you want to put it and you know how to do icing and things like that, that's what I would definitely suggest. I believe in recipes that everybody can make without fancy tools or anything like that. That's just practical. I'm happy with it like this. Honestly, you want a swirl? There you go. I like it a little bit more of a shaved ice consistency. So I'm gonna put this cup in the freezer and then we're gonna enjoy it about a half an hour later. All right, here is the finished product. All right, so what I did is after I made this mixture, I put it in the cup and I actually froze it for an hour. I really like things that are cold, and what it does is gives this shaved ice appearance. Now, if you love Dole Whip and you love the idea of trying this at home, please let me know how it worked for you. So good. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe down below. If you like this video and you're like, where are other videos? Well, you can hit that notification button and then it'll say, hey, Crimson Kitty has a new video, even though there's absolutely 0 cats in it. That's because he'll destroy my entire setup and this is expensive. Till next time, kitties. Meow, meow, meow.